Okay, so this tutorial is about how we can use try and except to handle exceptions in our program to stop it from crashing. So we've got this program here, and it lets us select between two currencies. We're going to go for pounds, and we're just going to start entering in the amounts that we have. And we'll see that it works fine. Do you want to see your result? Yes, and it tells us how much we have, although it's not to 2 decimal places. So let's say, for example, the user runs the program, but there's an error. So in here, I might type in pounds, and then the number of 1p's I have, they might just put in 10. Here we're going to get an error because it's asking for an integer, and we've just given them a string, which is ten. So how do we prevent this from happening? Well, what we can do is we can add a construct called try and except to handle the exception. So what we say is that I want you to try all of this, and we're going to indent that. Format, indent region. So I want you to try all of this, and if an exception occurs, so you'll notice that this is lined up with the try. So the exception says print, sorry, you entered an invalid amount. Please try again. So that's the error message, and then we let them try again by just rerunning this procedure called pounds. Okay, so now if we run our program, and once again we select pounds as the currency which we wish to add up our piggy bank, and let's say if I put 10 and then here I make a mistake and put 10 as a string, it will actually say, sorry, you entered an invalid amount, please try again. And what it's done is it's looped back to the beginning. Rather than giving us that red error message which we got previously, this time it catches the exception, lets us call the procedure again, and just restarts it. And that's how we make our programs a lot more robust. So that is how we do it for pounds. If you have a second currency, it would be worth doing that again now for dollars. The key thing to remember is that we should only use try and except on a working program. Do not try and implement try and except when your program is not working, because what will happen is it will always catch the exception and just print this, and you won't actually know what's wrong with your program. So that's a quick tutorial on how to use exception handling to prevent your program from crashing once you've finished it.